Hello everyone, this is our test performance for network technology. The materials needed are the crimping tool, RJ45 connectors, Cat6 Internet cable, cable strippers, it's an optional, scissor or wire cutter.
Crossover cable wiring. 1. Arrange the wires. On one end of the cable, use the TIA/EIA 568B standard. On the other end, use the TIA/EIA 568A standard. 2. Trim the wires. Trim the wires to about 0.5 inches in length, making sure they are even. Three. Insert the wires into the RJ45 connector. For each end, hold the RJ45 connector with the clip facing down. Insert the wires into the connector according to the respective standards. 4. Crimp the connector. Insert the RJ45 connector into the crimping tool and squeeze the handles firmly to secure the wires in place. Testing the cable. Check the connection. Use an Ethernet cable tester to ensure all the wires are properly connected and that there are no shorts or open circuits. 2. Verify the functionality. Connect the cable to the devices it is intended for and verify that the network connection is connect the cable to the devices it is intended for and verify that the network connection is working correctly.